Hello everybody, wherever you are in this world, in this video we'll solve this problem easy and quick. Let's do it. So what you have to do is not to open your WeChat, sorry, you have to go directly and open the settings of your mobile phone, and after doing this go to the apps option. Search for WeChat here and click on WeChat. When you find it, you will see here this list. Come directly to the storage, click clear cache and right now back. Click on force stop, click right here, okay. Click battery and make it on optimized mode. After that, turn on your airplane mode and turn off it and go directly to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Make sure that your WeChat is updated on the last version, and that's all what you need to do. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another tutorial.